If you want this set, keep watching.
Part 2 of my channel. Of my YouTube video. Am I gonna be really that YouTuber? Well, if you wanted to watch me how I prepped and shaped these, you can watch my last video I just posted. I'll be posting this at the same time. Put the base coat on. I got this in the Beatles kit on Amazon. Very cheap, and it's a big bottle too. I put one coat, and then you guys are always asking me what base coat I use, or what nude base, and I use 1491 by Gowie. I'm gonna link it down in my description. And I'm gonna try to open this with. Okay, all right. Literally only one coat. Like that's all you need. I'll be back when I paint all my fingers. So now I'm gonna be grabbing this small little cute petite bottle, and I'm gonna put it onto. Ooh, wrong color. Nice. This one. Okay. What I like most about this top coat, this nude base, is that like I can touch it. Because some of them are sticky, but this one is not. So I don't have to worry about lint getting all over it, even though there's lint embedded in it. So it's super easy for me. Well, the way that slipped. I'm gonna grab it this side. There is some people who do like the X way, but I just literally like drawing it like this, and I think it looks fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't think it looks that good. And then see. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, that looks great. A little hack is what I do. Like this. Yeah, that looks good. I think. I don't know. One side this way. And then you just curve it where you want to curve it. Like this. Just like that. So easy, so fun. Now that I finished my left hand, I'm gonna go in with my right hand. My non-dominant hand that makes me so mad all the time. Basically, you just, oh my gosh. Yeah, the struggle is super real right now. I don't know. Can you guys see time? I'm literally holding this by my mouth right now. Clean it up. Okay, it's like looking okay now, but okay. I'll just be back because I feel like I'm gonna take forever. But I'll be back. Now that I finished putting French on both, I had to take the gloves off of this hand because it's overstimulating me. But I'm gonna show you how I do the 3D flowers. So I use this gel right here on Amazon. Just grab like a little bit. Why is everything so hard to open today? Like this. Perfect. It reminds me of that one candy. You know that one. I don't know what I'm talking about. Like, I'll just. It's like where you blow it, and then it's kind of like a plastic balloon. I'll insert it here. If you guys played with that as a kid, oh my gosh, that's what I used to play with. Really, put it on like this, and just mix it. It's literally like slime. Okay. Pull it out. 5 little balls, like super tiny balls. Tiny, tiny balls. Or 3. Just gonna do 1, 2, 3. I've been liking blue lately. I'm just gonna press it down right in the middle like this. And then you're just gonna fold it up, press it down in the middle, only in the middle, pull it up, press it down. I feel like you can see all the imperfections of my nails like up close like this, but oops. See, usually when that happens, I just mold it, play with it, and boom. And cure it for like 30 seconds. So I wrote out 3 more does, and I'm just gonna do one right here, one right here, one right here. The balls don't, ooh. Yeah, the balls don't really have to be perfect because it's how you press it down like this. Boom. 1. 2. Press it down. 3. Okay, that kind of looks ugly. Let me just redo this one. So I'm back. I took it off. I don't, at this point, my back is hurting. But I'm just gonna grab 3 dots like this. I guess it does matter where you place it. Whatever, we learn as we go. Press it in. Press it in. Press it in. Wow. There you go. And put the outside like this. Yay! That's actually kind of really cute. I like it. Is it cute? Or am I just trying to make myself feel better? I don't know. So then now I'm going to show you how I do the bangle. I'm going to grab just a little bit like this. Cut it off. Basically, put it over your nail like this. Damn, that's perfect. I love polka dots. I used to hate polka dots. Like, I genuinely did. Wait, why does it look darker than the color? Whatever. Yeah, and we're gonna add it on the thumb too. Boom, boom, boom. That's basically the base. And then I'm gonna charm it up, do this hand, and then I'll be back. Yay, but this is how it looks like at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what I should try next or if you guys actually use my tutorial.